Happy birthday, Lolo Nanding. Happy birthday, Lolo Nanding. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo Nanding.
Okay. Happy birthday po, Tito Nanding. Good health and God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 70th birthday, Nanding. Wish ko, bigyan ka lagi ng lakas ng katawan at mahabang buhay. Pasensya na, hindi kami makakarating at alam mo naman, may pasyente kami. Salamat.
Happy 70th birthday po, Nanding. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng lakas ng katawan at habang ka ng buhay para lagi tayong enjoy ang life. Ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Bong Nanding, kaunting ingat sa iyong katawan para lagi kang malakas ang katawan. Kamusta na lang dyan sa inyong life dyan. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Nanding.
Stay happy,
Stay happy,
healthy, and handsome. We love you.
We love you.
Kanta na.
Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Happy birthday, Lola Nanding. Love you. Love you, miss you. Miss you. Palagi. Ingat palagi.
Happy 70th birthday po, Tito Nanding. At sana maging masaya kayo ngayong karawan ninyo. At ang hiling ko lang po sa Panginoon Diyos, bigyan kayo ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan. At para makapag-alaga pa ng maraming apo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tatay Ding.
Maligayang kaarawan po, Ninong. Naway pagpalain pa kayo ng Diyos ng mabuting kalusugan, mahabang buhay at maraming biyaya. Ingat po kayo palagi. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Tatay Nanding!
Ingat ka palagi. We love you. Bye.
Have a good day!
Hi, Tatay Nanding. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and best health as well. Thank you sa pag-alaga sa amin ni Chas nung bata kami at lagi kang gumigising ng umaga. Yeah, happy birthday. We love you so much.
Hello! Happy birthday, Tatay Nanding. I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Hello! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come.
Hello, Tita Nanding. Happy birthday. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. More birthdays to come. Pag uwi ko ng December, dadalhin ko po dyan si Prince at si Princess. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nanding! More birthday and more good health. And more happiness.
Long life!
And more blessing.
Long life!
Yes!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy 70th birthday, Tatay Nanding. We love you so much. Maraming salamat sa pagiging second father sa aming magkakapatid. And hindi ko makakalimutan na lagi mo akong hinahatid, pinaghahanda ng baon tuwing papasok ako sa OJT sa eskwelahan at yung mga pagturing sa aming anak na nila Meme, Jeje, Chinchin, at we love you talaga. Sayang po at di kami nakapunta dyan ngayon. Mauwi na lang kami kapag ka nauwi ng Manila. We love you always. Be happy and enjoy your birthday. Napaka saya ng birthday niyo po kahapon and today with your family. We love you so much. God bless and to everyone. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nanding. Sana marami ka pang birthday darating sa iyo. Malusog ang katawan at laging masaya. Ikaw na. Ikaw! Halina! Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bong Nanding. Hangad namin ng yung magandang pangangatawan at pasensya natin hindi ka nakaabot dahil pagod na rin sa biyahe. Happy birthday!
More birthday to come. Habaan ng buhay, maging malusog.
Happy birthday. Sana palagi malakas na katawan mo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Nanding. Happy birthday. Sana maraming pang dumating sa iyong karawan na tulad nito na malakas malusog ang iyong pangangatawan. Sana ipahiramin ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Laging malakas sa iyong katawan. Huwag kang magkakaramdam. At sana magbago ka na huwag ka nang mag-iinom. At para hindi ka na magkasakit. Lagi sanang malakas lagi ang iyong katawan. Mahal na mahal kita, Nanding.
Happy birthday sa iyo. Sana, Nanding, ay habaan ka ng buhay at bigyan ka ng magandang buhay at ako'y masamahan mo palagi sa ating lakad. At inaasahan ko na ikaw ay hindi makakalimot sa akin at gayon din naman ako. Salamat. Happy birthday sa iyo.